Sup fam, Vince here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, magre-review na naman tayo ng sandamakmak na shades ng lip products from Moonlyt by Marina. Ito ang kanilang Moonlyt by Marina Lip and Cheek Tint, and this is Zodiac inspired. And by the way guys, panoorin nyo hanggang sa dulo ng video kasi magpapag-giveaway tayo ng lahat ng shades nitong lip and cheek tint na to by Moonlyt by Marina. And yes, sobrang dami, like 12 shades talaga siya, 12 shades. One winner lang tayo, 12 shades. So ayun na nga, if you guys are interested, let's glow! So medyo marami to, wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa, magsimula na tayo with the packaging and the component of the product. When I got these products, everything was airtight sealed. Kahit ganun lang kasimple yung packaging mo, wala akong problema dahil yun lang naman yung importante sa akin, simple, hindi contaminated yung product, it's away from bacteria, alam mong ikaw yung unang bubuka, so kahit sabihin natin airtight seal lang yan, okay na ako dun. Talking about the component of the product, nasa isang glass container siya, glass bottle. It has a black cap and meron siyang wraparound sticker. Titingnan natin yung details nito. Nakalagay dito Moonlyt by Marina, nakalagay yung shade name. Since sabi ko nga kanina, based to sa zodiac signs, this one is in the shade Aquarius. It says here this is their lip and cheek tint. This contains 10 ml worth of products. And sabi ko nga sa mga vlogs ko before, merong part of history or may patrivia ang Moonlyt by Marina on each and every product that they offer. So on this one, meron siyang brief description itong specific shade na to, which is Aquarius. On the component of the product, meron lang ako mga hinahanap na information na hindi ko nakita dito, like the list of ingredients or yung expiration date. So if Moonlyt by Marina will remake this product, I hope na in the future for the wraparound sticker, pwede nila include yung information na yun. By the way, for lip and cheek tints like these, standard shelf life niya, this one is normally good for 12 months from the open date. For the pricing and the product availability, ipopop ko na lang sa screen kung magkano tong product na to, but this one is available through the social media accounts of Moonlyt by Marina. If you guys are interested to grab these products, ilalagay ko lahat ng links na kailangan nyo on the description box down below para one click nyo na lang, mabibili nyo na sila. They do have 12 shades in total, and again, stars inspired nga siya or zodiac. Kung kayo mahilig kayo sa astrology, I'm sure na matitripan nyo to, so might as well get all the shades, diba? Pero bago kayo pumili ng shades, syempre gagawin natin yung hand swatches. And then after that, pipili ako ng 1 to 2 shades na pwede natin itry on our lips. But then again, before we even do that, gusto ko lang magbigay ng disclaimer na since lip and cheek tint yung gagamitin natin, these products are not 100% opaque, so there might be a slight difference in the color because each and every person has a different lip undertone, so it might appear darker on my lips and it might appear lighter on your lips. So before you even make a decision kung ano yung pipiliin yung shade, base everything on the hand swatches. This type of component has a roller type applicator. I'm not really a fan of roller type applicators kasi medyo messy siya pag nilagay siya sa lips. Pero if we're gonna talk about the scent of the product, para siyang sweet na tutti frutti. Sobrang bango niya. Anyways, let's start with the swatches. The first shade that we have right here is the shade Leo. This is how the shade Leo looks like. Alam mo, nakakasanayan ko na tong color description na to. Leo looks like an orange myrtile shade. Medyo nagiging favorite ko to pag nakakakita ako ng mga gantong klaseng shades. This one is like on a neon side. Meron siyang orange undertone, meron din siyang halong pink. Next shade that we have right here is the shade Libra. This is how the shade Libra looks like on the hand swatch. Di nga pala to hand swatch, arm swatch nga pala to. Libra is on a slightly deeper side of red. Sobrang perfect na to pang gradient lip. Sobrang nice niya. It doesn't appear too vampy and it doesn't appear too light as well. Kung gusto nyo na yung lips nyo is medyo paputok na pula, pero hindi yung sobrang nagmumura talaga, this is gonna be the shade for you. This is in the shade, again, Libra. The next shade that we're gonna try is the shade Virgo. This is how the shade Virgo looks like on the hand swatch. Alam mo, parang medyo malapit yung shade ng Virgo and nung Leo. But on the hand swatch, yung Virgo kasi is a bit intensified myrtile shade. Ito parang concentrate, ito medyo flush of color. Pero it's almost the same shade. Kung mahilig ka sa mga lip products na medyo pinkish yung dating, then this is gonna be the shade for you. Yung mga gantong lip and cheek tints are very long-lasting dahil nagli-leave talaga sila ng stain. Ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Itatry natin burahin to pag nag-set na sila. The next shade that we have right here is the shade Aquarius. Ito yung pinakita kong sample kanina. This is how the shade Aquarius looks like. Ito medyo vampy na to. Para siyang kulay ng dugo. Aquarius looks like a red-violet shade. If medyo bet nyo yung parang vampy look, then you can go for the shade. Next up, we have the shade Capricorn. This is how the shade Capricorn looks like. Oh, Oh, okay. Para siyang lighter version ng Aquarius pero Capricorn has more red tones on it or red pigments. Kung yung goal nyo is medyo deeper na gradient lip, then this is gonna be nice for you. Next up, we have the shade Gemini. This is how the shade Gemini looks like. Oh, okay. Gemini is a chocolate brown shade. I don't usually wear lip tints na ganito yung kulay. Well, maganda naman siya for my skin tone, kaso lang nagmumukhang matapang yung itsura ko kapag ganito yung suot ko na lip tint. Sobrang bagay nito sa mga mapuputi. The next shade that we have right here is the shade Eris. This is how the shade Eris looks like. Looking at the monitor right now, para siyang pinaghalong orange na medyo nag-dominate yung brown. Pero meron din ako nakikita mga red pigments on it. If you guys do have dark lips, tapos if you wanted to neutralize yung color, gusto mo maging parang one lang yung color ng lip mo, then you can use this shade. This is nice. Parang magmumukhang medyo mapula-pula ng konti, pero nandun pa rin yung depth ng kulay na yun. Next up, we have the shade Pisces. This is how the shade Pisces looks like. Ito yung pula. Pero yung pagkapula ng Pisces, para siyang merong halong kulay pink. Hindi ko masasabing parang solid na pula siya. Still leaning on the brighter side. Parang mas solid na pula pa yung Libra. Pero this is also nice. You can use this for gradient lips, lalo na kung maputi yung complexion mo. The next shade that we have is the shade Cancer. Ito yung zodiac sign ng aking kapatid and ng aking mama. This is how the shade Cancer looks like. Ayan. Cancer looks like a deeper version ng shade na Eris. Pinaghalong brown and red tones din siya. Pero yung dating lang, medyo mas mapula lang ng konti yung Eris. This one, mas nag-dominate lang yung brown tone sa kanya. The next shade that we have is the shade Taurus. This is how the shade Taurus looks like. Ito, pink talaga to. As in, pink talaga siya. Ayan. Barbie pink yung Taurus. If you're the type of person na mahilig mag-rock ng mga pink lips, I think this is gonna be the shade for you. Sobrang cute niyan. Sobrang girly talaga ng dating. Baka umabot na dun sa siko ko, so iangat na natin yung swatch. The next one that we have is the shade Scorpio. Dito na natin siya i-swatch. Ayan. Scorpio is a mixture of orange and red undertones. Sobrang gusto ko tong kulay na to, as in, ito ata yung itatry ko today. Sobrang nice niya. It's very close to a blood shade. Ito yung gagamitin ko for gradient lips today. Last but not the least, we have here my star sign, Sagittarius. This is how the shade Sagittarius looks like. Whoa! Yung Sagittarius, para rin siyang blood shade, pero it's on a deeper side compared to this one. Mas marami itong pinaghalong brown and red pigments on it, making it look deeper and rich. So these are how all the shades look like. I think yung itatry ko today, yung last two shades na sinwatch natin, yung last two blood shades. But before we even do that, itatry kong burahin itong swatches natin. Tingnan natin kung maglilieve siya ng stain. So regular baby wipes lang yung ginagamit ko, hindi to makeup remover. Hindi rin to makeup wipes, and nakikita nyo na nag-leave talaga siya ng stain. So if we're gonna talk about the longevity of the product, this is gonna last you for a long time. Normally, nangyayari naman yan sa mga lip tints. Ito yung small trick na ginagawa ko lang kapag gusto kong magmukhang fresh the whole day. So, ang ginagawa ko muna is naglalagay muna ako ng lip tint sa ilalim, tapos on top of that, ginagamitan ko siya ng favorite lip product ko. Whether it be lip cream o kaya yung mga multi-purpose na products na ginagamit ko, pinapatungan ko muna ng lip tint sa ilalim para pag nabura man yung sa ibabaw, meron pa ring matitirang shade dun sa ilalim ng lips ko. So now let's try this out. Hindi ko na isa-swatch lahat ng shades kasi ang mangyayari kasi is magpapatong-patong lang yung stain sa lips ko and hindi natin maibibigay yung tamang color payoff niya. Kaya ginawa ko yung swatches for you guys para makita niyo yung totoong tones kasi kapag nagpatong-patong, mas magmumukha siyang darker and hindi na magandang tingnan. Kahit i-project ko pa yan, ibang shade na yung makikita niyo pag pinagpatong-patong ko siya. So now let's start with the shade Scorpio. Gradient lip lang yung gagawin ko, so i-apply na natin siya. I like the shade. Sobrang nice. Tulad nga na sabi ko sa inyo kanina, yun yung hindi ko bet sa roller type applicator. Medyo nagiging messy yung application. Hindi ako makapasok dun sa crevices ng lips ko. Lalo na dun sa corners kapag gusto ko siya lagyan ng product. Yun lang yung downside ng roller type applicator. If we're gonna talk about the formula, una yung scent. Sobrang nice ng scent niya. It's not bothering me at all. Kasi I've tried a lot of lip tints before. Yung ibang natry ko, medyo may pagka-chemical yung amoy. And sobrang pet peeve ko talaga yun. Ayaw ko talaga yun. Talking about the color payoff, a little goes a long way. Kita nyo naman coated na talaga yung lips ko. This one feels very lightweight and hindi rin siya mahapdi sa lips. My only comment about the formula is since medyo liquid yung formula niya, ang tendency ng mga lip tints na liquid yung formula is nagdi-drip down siya sa loob ng labi mo. And yung effect nun is makukulayan din yung ipin mo ng lip tint kapag medyo napasobra ka ng konti. Kaya medyo merong red yung ipin ko ngayon dahil pumasok yung nalagay kong lip tint. Pero gustong-gusto ko talaga yung kulay niya. Oh. So kung i-remake to ng Moonlyt by Marina, pwede nilang gawing doe foot applicator tapos gawin nilang medyo gel type para hindi nagdi-drip down yung formula din sa loob ng bibig para hindi magkaroon ng stain yung ating ipin. So now again, using a regular baby wipes, titingnan natin kung matatanggal to. Ayun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, nag-leave na siya ng stain. So, pag ito, pinatungan pa natin ng 3 pa na lip tints, hindi nyo na makikita yung totoong color payoff ng lip tints. So, isa na lang yung ipapatong natin and that's gonna be my shade, Sagittarius. So, now, apply na natin to. Kung napapansin nyo, nung nilalagay ko siya, is humihipan ako, yung ganon. So, kasing matuyo agad yung kulay or yung lip tint dun sa labi ko. Alam mo, sobrang perfect nitong shade na to sa akin. Alam mo, sa lahat ng shade, no bias ha. Hindi dahil star sign ko to, pero gustong gusto ko to. Ito yung gradient lip na pwede kong suotin. It's not too light, it's not too dark. Sobrang lakas lang maka-fresh talaga. Pero syempre, nasa inyo naman kung gaano ka-natural nyo gustong i-apply or gawin yung gradient lip nyo. Pwedeng konti lang, pwedeng madami like this. Ito, madami na to. Hindi na to super like gradient lip talaga. Kasi ang gradient lip is konti lang talaga tapos isi-spread out mo lang siya dun sa lips mo. So yeah, those are all the shades ng Moonlyt by Marina Lip and Cheek Tint. Out of all the 12 shades, ito yung favorite ko, the shade Scorpio and the shade Sagittarius. Sobrang nice lang talaga. Gusto ko yung shade range nila kasi very inclusive sa mga skin tone, sa mga age range. I super duper like it. Yun nga lang yung sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, yung hinahanap ko information, yung list of ingredients, and yung expiration date. I hope na i-include nila yon in the future if they're planning to remake this product. So yeah, that's it. Ano yung shade na nagustuhan nyo? Please let me know on the comment section down below. And again, meron tayong pag-giveaway. I am giving away all the shades ng Moonlyt by Marina Lip and Cheek Tint. Siyempre, hindi ito. Meron akong bago doon. Kompleto 12 shades. There will be one winner. If you guys are interested to join, all you need to do is to check on the description box down below. Andun lahat ng mechanics natin. Please do make sure to follow the instructions. Kung sumasali na kayo sa giveaway ko before, i-check nyo kasi meron akong bagong nilagay doon. So, ayun lang. That's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.